Congratulations. Thank you very much po. Congratulations to the authors of the measure. Representative Abante, Representative Magsaysay.
Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you sa pag-click ng aking video. Good day po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Sa mga bagong viewers at napadaan lang, by the way, I'm Tita Eda. Welcome to my channel. Ang channel na maghahatid sa iyo ng dagdag kaalaman tungkol sa government services, bagong mga balita at informative videos na galing sa legit na resources. Mag-subscribe na para updated ka.
Congratulations. Thank you very much po. Congratulations to the authors of the measure. Representative Abante, Representative Magsaysay.
Yes, we move to approve the measure.
Any second? There is a motion to approve the measure. The committee has no proposed amendments, so we recommend to report out the measure without amendment, so it can go straight to plenary. And with that, the motion has been duly seconded. The motion is carried. Congratulations to the Committee on Health.
This is in coordination, ma'am, with the Health Facilities Enhancement Program, wherein it's already separated from our bureau. However, we can work together and with other...
Can we ask the DOH to give a listing of the budgetary requirements they have?
Please
Will we
provide...
submit it to the committee?
Yes, sir, we will do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam Chair, for the record,
Go ahead,
just for the
Representative
record,
Magsaysay.
because this is already in RA 9994, but it is not being implemented. So I would like to reiterate that all government hospitals, DOH, LGU, and GOCC should have a geriatric ward. Should have a geriatric ward for senior citizens only.
Thank you. We will take note of the manifestation po. However, that is not part of the current measure. But yes, we definitely support that, to have a geriatric ward in every single regional or LGU hospital to cater to senior citizens. Yun lang po. Gusto ko lang siguraduhin, DOH, kasi baka naman ma-approve tong batas, maibigay yung kailangan na pondo, pero magka-problema sa implementation. So hahabulin namin kayo, ha? Yung HFEP ninyo, hindi talaga kami masaya sa... Senator Gatchalian, my counterpart in the Senate, they were all thinking na hindi pondohan yung HFEP for this year because of your very low utilization rate in 2024 and 2025.
Actually, Madam Chair, in 2009, I have requested an institution in Australia to provide some equipment in the National Geriatric Center, and they have provided beds and other equipments to that bilang tulong sa atin. I just would like to inform the DOH about that.
Thank you.
Ang ginawa nila, nilipat nila yung ibang mga beds doon sa Jose Reyes when they should not have done that. Nilipat nila roon sa Jose Reyes. Oo.
Thank you, Representative Abante. So, yun lang po we need that assurance from DOH. I believe the amount is reasonable also. I've compared it with other 100-bed capacity hospitals. I've compared it with a new proposal of the NKTI with regard to their new, sorry, not NKTI, Long Center, with regard to their new wing. So, I find the amount reasonable, especially with the phased approach. Nandun lang talaga ako sa actual implementation ninyo. Medyo natatakot talaga ako. But, yeah, so, with that, the committee also do not have comments. We do not have proposed amendments to the measure. So with that, may I solicit a motion from the body? Vice Chair Ronald Singson.
Yes, Madam Chair. The committee recommends reporting out of the measure without amendments. So,
Second.
Move to approve.
yes, we move to approve the measure.
Any second? There is a motion to approve the measure. The committee has no proposed amendments, so we recommend to report out the measure without amendment, so it can go straight to plenary. And with that, the motion has been duly seconded. The motion is carried. Congratulations to the Committee on Health and to the authors.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair, and thank you very much, esteemed colleagues and guests this morning.
Yes, this is a measure that I believe everyone is in support of, and the NCSC should be part of that, the group who supports it. Thank you very much. Would there be any motion from the members to co-author?
Madam Chair,
Go ahead, Representative
I would
Roque.
like to make a motion that all members who are present this morning be made co-authors, with, of course, the permission of our authors, Madam Chair. I so move.
Before I rule on that, may I request the comments of the chairperson? And
It would be an honor to have those who wish to be co-authors, Madam Chair.
thank you. There is a motion. Any second? There is a motion to make all members present who wish to become co-authors be made co-authors of the measure. It has been duly seconded. The motion is carried. Congratulations. Thank you very much po. Congratulations to the chairperson of the Committee on Health and to the authors of the measure. Representative Abante, Representative Magsaysay, Representative Ordanes, congratulations po. Thank you to the Committee on, thank you to the resource persons, to DOH, to NCSC, to PhilHealth, and to the DBM for
Madam Chair,
those comments. And
May I request the COMSEC to please mention all the names, not just et al.
In the version that will be filed by the Committee on Health in the plenary, nandun po lahat ng list of authors. COMSEC, wag daw et al. All the members have to be listed in the agenda. Okay? Noted pa for the next hearings. Thank you very much.
If sa tingin mo, natulungan ka ng video ko na ito, nakasave ka sa oras mo, you can click yung thanks button at any amount ay malaking help sa pag-grow ng channel ko. Yun lang po muna ang aking update. Sana ay nakatulong na dagdag kaalaman ang aking shinare today. Ang goal ng aking channel ay mag-create ng awareness. Kung ganitong mga topic ang gusto mo, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko na ito. Thanks for watching! Kung may kapamilya, kaibigan o kakilala sa tingin mo ay magiging interesado sa video, please share or tag sila sa comment section. At syempre, if nagustuhan mo ang video, i-like mo na ito at subscribe ka na din. As always, feel free to write your questions, comments, and opinions respectfully. And continue to be a blessing and stay safe!